Adult life comes with many stresses. School, jobs, relationships, and the everyday grind can lead to your body naturally releasing your stress in harmful ways. Teeth grinding is a common habit that adults can develop at any point during their lives. It can lead to many serious health issues that can cost thousands of dollars to repair. The best way to prevent teeth grinding is to know the signs and the solutions. Many people wonder, how do I know if I grind my teeth? Here we will go over some of the common factors of teeth grinding. Teeth grinding, while a scary habit, is relatively easy to spot with the symptoms. If you believe you grind your teeth at night, look for these symptoms, and if you are experiencing any of them, you can come up with an educated solution based on the following. People who grind their teeth at night tend to have sensitive teeth when it comes to hot or cold foods. As your teeth grind together, they are worn down. After months or years of teeth grinding, your teeth can wear thin and nerves can be exposed. These nerves are extra sensitive to hot or cold foods. If you continue to have issues eating or drinking these types of foods, it may be a sign of heavy teeth grinding. Another common symptom to look for when wondering if you grind your teeth is morning headaches. These go together with sore jaws. When you clench your jaw, you exert energy, and after a while, your muscles become overworked and stressed out. With so much stress on your muscles, they tire out and become sore. Waking up with a headache or a sore jaw may be a sign that you are grinding your teeth at night. The tension in your jaw tends to travel up to your temples and can give you a headache. If you are waking up a few days a week with a headache, it could be because you are grinding your teeth. There's also an audible sign of teeth grinding. You or your partner may hear faint popping or clicking noises coming from your mouth. It may not happen every minute, but there are a few reasons for these sounds. When your teeth scrape together, they can make a clicking noise. As your jaw clenches, the joints are overworked and a popping sound can come from the mouth area or the joints. If your partner hears these noises coming from your mouth at night while you sleep, this is a big sign that you are clenching or grinding. If you're wondering if you grind your teeth at night, have your partner listen for those teeth grinding noises. Teeth grinding is becoming more and more common in adults. The good news is that there's an easy solution and an affordable one at that. Night guards are worn at night and they are very comfortable. They will protect your teeth and jaw without being intrusive or disrupting your breathing. Sporting Smiles offers 6 different custom night guards for you to choose from depending on your symptoms. These premium night guards offer the best defense against teeth grinding and are half the cost of the dentist while providing the same durability. Don't wait to visit the dentist because that can result in massive repairs that are needed, and those repairs can cost thousands of dollars. A night guard will provide you with the maximum defense against teeth grinding and allow you to sleep peacefully without worrying about teeth grinding. Are you still wondering about if you grind your teeth? Well, you won't with a night guard. If you want to protect your teeth while you sleep, all you have to do is click the link below.